We on the record in two cases. First case is cause number 321-508. The second case is cause number 321-510. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Jordan Ambers. The case was called earlier. The court took a brief recess, and we're back on the record. Actually, we was getting ready to go back on the record the second time, and Mr. Macy, y'all asked for a brief recess so y'all can confer. I have before me Miss Jordan Ambers, is that correct? Yes. And I have also present Mr. John Macy, who is Miss Ambers' attorney, and also we have present before the bench Miss Ashley Barlow, who is probation officer with the Jefferson County Probation Office, and Miss Ramos, is that your case? Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
Is here for the state. Now, Mr. Macy, after conferring with your client, do you have an announcement for the court, or?
I do, Your Honor. What I think she wants to do is set them for a plea. She just hadn't decided whether she wants to go agreed or unagreed to the court.
Okay, now, let me do this here. Now, if normally what the court does in a case of an unagreed plea, we reset the case for a PSI. We can get a PSI. In fact, I can reset the case for a PSI. We get a PSI, and even if she doesn't go unagreed, we'll still have a PSI. Do you understand what I'm saying?
Yes, Your Honor.
So, Ms. Ramos.
Yes, Your Honor.
You have any objections to the court? We're gonna reset it for a plea. We just don't know whether or not it's gonna be an agreed or unagreed. But we can, I can order a PSI to get more information for the court, the state, as well as the defense.
That's fine with the state, Your Honor.
Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna reset it for a PSI. Okay, how much time do y'all need to do on the PSI? 45 days or 60 days?
That would be good. Yes, sir.
45?
Yes.
Okay, we're gonna read.
Do you want a full PSI with the criminal history and recommendations, or just an
Yes.
update on her current probation?
Full PSI.
Full?
Yeah, I would need the full PSI. But the update will also be included within that, right?
Yes, they'll have an update
Okay.
with her current probation, and then the
Okay.
new offense will be on there as well.
Okay, so we'll just set it for PSI. She's gonna come back and give you that date, okay? So we know it's gonna at least be 45 days.
I'm sorry.
It's gonna be at least 45 days.
45 days.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, we'll reset your case for a PSI.